Watch as I upload 3 credit card statements into the Badbank.ai preconditioner and get superior files to use with any accounting workflow or send to a CPA or tax preparer. You can process as many statements as you want at a time. When you download the output folder, you can open up the top-level CSV file in Excel or any spreadsheet program and see that Badbank.ai has preconditioned all the data from the 3 statements. The AI has given uniform payee names to all the transactions in understandable language, combined and reconciled the statement's transactions into one CSV, and given each transaction a truly unique ID number. Your CPA can use this data in Excel, or they can use the same preconditioned data that has been put into QBO and OFX files in your output folder. You can simply send this folder to them and be done. If you want to eliminate even more back and forth with your CPA, you can quickly create a simple pivot table with the payees and amounts, and get an expense report which has combined and summarized all the data from the statements. Get started saving time and money today with Badbank AI.